Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lightspeed Restaurant POS. Review my usage experience. Lightspeed Restaurant POS, as the name suggests, is a point-of-sale system designed for restaurants. It aims to streamline ordering, payment processing, inventory management, and reporting for restaurant owners and managers. Key features likely include order management, payment integration, employee management, and sales reporting. Their website provides details on the full suite of offerings. Lightspeed Restaurant POS positions itself as a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for restaurants of various sizes. They emphasize ease of use and intuitive design. Their website highlights pricing plans, although specific details vary depending on needs. They boast robust reporting tools for better business analysis. Availability is generally widespread, though specific details should be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lightspeed Restaurant POS. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The setup guide was clear, and I had the system up and running within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly learned how to process orders, manage tables, and access sales reports. The order management system is particularly efficient, allowing for quick order entry and modification. I was really impressed by how customizable the system is. I could easily tailor it to our restaurant's specific needs. The reporting features are excellent, providing detailed insights into sales trends and inventory levels. I had a quick question about integrating a new payment gateway, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve for the advanced inventory management features. It took me a couple of days to fully grasp all its functionalities. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Lightspeed Restaurant POS. It streamlined our operation significantly and improved our efficiency. That's my overview of Lightspeed Restaurant POS. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.